Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're taking a look at the new Peak Design tech pouch. So let's begin. Well, here it is. So this is the stuff that you could actually fit in there. This is the back pouch, or the back area. So you have three little stowing areas right there, two more right here, another zipper, and I guess you could put small batteries or micro SD cards or SD cards in here, CF cards. And that's pretty much it. I'll try to put some stuff in here so you guys can see what it looks like. It does sit open on the table, which is nice. Overall, it's a pretty clean design. Alright guys, so I added a few things, so let's take a look. Battery charger, well, here's what kind of looks like with some stuff in it. A couple USB 3's cable, USB-C, hard drive, CF card holder, power bank, and card reader. So we got a card reader, got our power bank, CF card reader or card holders, hard drive, and the cables. Obviously I didn't load it up, but it does get pretty heavy, obviously depending what stuff you put in here. And we have a battery. So just keep in mind whatever you're putting in here will get heavy and bulky, so I personally try to travel pretty light. And yeah guys, see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys liked it. Take it easy.